This is Gyeon View. It's a great durable rain repellent which will give you awesome visibility and comfort in bad weather conditions. And this all up to 30,000 kilometers. Let's see how it works. Gyeon View comes in a complete package with everything necessary to make a perfect application. The first step we have to do is we use cleanse on the dedicated felt applicator and use this in circular motions on the windshield. We let it sit for about 15 minutes and give it a wipe down if necessary with a damp microfiber cloth. Second step is repel. Repel you apply on the suede applicator, you do the same circular motions, let it sit for approximately 15 minutes and do a second step with the same product on top of it. Leave it for about 15 minutes, wipe it off. After 12 hours, the car is ready to go. When you're after maximum durability and resistance, apply multiple layers every 15 minutes until your bottle is empty. Leave it for about 15 minutes, wipe it off. After 12 hours, the car is ready to go.